Riding a motorcycle gives you a sense of freedom. You are in total control of the moment. You are not just riding. You are flying. And there are no set limits to stop you. You can travel to any place with complete freedom. One of the best roads of Sylhet is Sylhet Airport Road. It is surrounded by the beautiful tea garden. When you ride your motorcycle on this road, you may feel like flying on the sky. Best taste of riding can get a rider by riding his motorbike on this beautiful road. Watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel videos and always